Compared with the class today here, this is the handwriting now. To write beautiful and perfect handwriting. The part of good education, perfect education. The students are being taught now their skill to write how to. And the skill of beautiful handwriting. This side, the exercise is very busy now. From this side to other side, we will go after some time. We can see some newcomers today here inside the classroom. Yeah, the newcomers today. Some numbers of newcomers. Today, so we have ladies in here.
My handwriting is bad, teacher and a pelai. Nasai, Itaba Kirkipa by her pelai. Mujimazana, why? Sarek Hong pelai, Kiman Sabu. Why did Guruto Nidia take a go? Also, okay, every summer, two times. Ever Niki Pohina Java. Yap Pohi, like my hero Sita Corilla.
So they should not neglect the handwriting. This yes. Negligence. It will be.
You have come to change yourself, to learn. You have come here
not a vital friends.
To learn. Yes, I have come here to learn.
Right from this angle, we can see the students here, this side, they looking like cool customers, learning a lot.
Okay,
F will expire.
G. What is?
So this side. So this side we can see once again here. So very small kids this side. You can listen now.
What is it? Can you tell me?
Not to be called the naughtiness is the center of the life. Yeah, they are learning a lot here.
You are not familiar with that thing.
The treatment we can see from this side of teacher, giving them a good treatment from this side. They have been dragged to the classroom here and become a cool customer, concentrating their mind to the class right now. Smallest kids of the school, this side, writing a perfect, beautiful handwriting. You can see here. This side. They're trying their level best to write down things.
Yes. Now, from the second line, round it like this and make it. And now,
The newcomers.
we call
We've
it.
got this side, the two newcomers today here.
It is D. And D for
Added the number, created the number. Two students this side,
the voice.
one from Bata, one from Mrs. Other from Mrs. Two students can be seen here as newcomers today here. Adding beauty to the classroom.
Oh,